In this video, I'll show you how to create the user interface for this application by copying it over from a template. The template is already in your instance, so I'll show you how to locate it, how to copy the step, and how to paste it into this blank slate right here. So I'm in a new application that I've already created and named Simple Data Entry App, and I'll just create the step right here and call it Data Entry Step. So after I've done that, the first thing that I need to do is go over to my UI template and copy over one of the templates so that we can paste it into this application. So what I'll do is I'll just right click on apps right here and open it in a new tab. This for me just makes it easier to navigate. And I'll open up that new tab. And once I do, over on the left, I'm going to look for the screen that allows me to actually select from all of the parent-child relationships in this application. So, I've been using this instance for a long time, so there's already a lot of applications in here. So I'm just going to type in UI template and look for the one named Tulip UI template. You can find it either just by unpacking each of these different hierarchies, or you can just type in UI template there. So once we do that, I'll click on UI template, and really quickly, I just want to look in and reference what this is supposed to look like when it's done. So we see we have this top nav right here and a bottom nav bar right there. So what I'm looking for in the template is one that has a top nav and a bottom nav. So I'm going to look at layouts with nav right there, look for the one center aligned. This looks pretty similar to what we're using, right? So it's almost identical to what you're using. And here's where the really great part happens. So I'm just going to click into the top left and drag all the way over the application screen. You'll see I've selected both elements unique to this particular step and master layout elements. Those are indicated by the red. Because this is open in my instance already, I'll just go back to the application editor screen right here, click paste, and there we go. All of that new content is in here. The one last thing that I need to do is just go to master layout, make the background a little darker, which will allow these rectangles right here to pop. And that's really all we need to do to create this user interface. This is essentially identical to what we need to do. Everything else is just going to be changing out these buttons for a next button, resizing these panes, and then adding content. So from here, we're ready to go.